Hey guys, this is Jessica from St. Paul's Hollywood Library with Couponing for Beginners. This would be our last and final installment. We've gone over the basics of couponing, all the tools you're going to need, how to get started, how to recognize a coupon, where to find coupons, familiarizing ourselves with the stores that accept coupons, that have store coupons, all of that great stuff. If you've missed the first 3 videos, they are on our website. Go back and watch them. Bring yourself up to speed. So this one is going to be talking about Black Friday. The holiday season is upon us, and Black Friday is the biggest shopping year, if not one of the biggest shopping days of the year. However, because of the pandemic, Black Friday is going to look a little bit different this year. So with that being said, we're going to talk about blackfriday.com. Right, this is one of the sites I love to go to because it usually lists all of the Black Friday ads that are available with all of the specials and deals. So I'm going to start scrolling here. I'm going to step out of the way for just a bit so you can see. So it looks like that's HP, Hewlett-Packard. You have Walmart, Best Buy, Macy's, JCPenney, Home Depot, Costco, Target, Sam's Club, and so on, even Amazon. Okay? So if you've been getting mailers, and this is what I like to call mailers. Here's one from Kohl's. Here is one from Amazon. And here is one from Costco. So I've been getting these in the mail recently. Now, a lot of stores have decided they aren't going to wait until Black Friday to start offering you the sales and the deals. So if you've started to receive these in your mail already, I would go ahead and start taking advantage of the sales. Remember, I talked about your rebate apps like Ibotta and Checkout 51. If you are already doing those things, that's great. If you have yet to download those apps, no worries. You can go ahead and start doing that and uploading your receipts and saving for next Black Friday. But basically, those sites allow you to get points by scanning your receipts and or the products that you've already purchased using your coupons. The points add up into cash in the form of gift cards. So last week I actually started my Christmas shopping and I cashed in a $50 gift card for Kohl's through my Fetch app. So it was stuff I already purchased with coupons, and then I'm getting money back from it in order to buy things from the store. So to me, that's a win-win. Don't worry about it if you haven't had time to do any of that yet, because you still have time to go ahead and start building up those savings for next year. So a lot of the stores will still do special deals on a Black Friday. So my suggestion to you would be, after you've done with your Thanksgiving dinner, you've had time to eat, drink, and be merry, you've watched a little football, go Cowboys, woo woo, go ahead and start perusing the sites. Sometimes they hold back special deals until Black Friday. Go ahead and start looking on the sites, searching for what you want, and then go ahead and put those items in your cart at least an hour before the sale starts. That way you're guaranteed to at least get some of the things, because I found that a lot of times the things that they offer on sale, they usually don't have a whole lot of stock, so it sells out really fast. So instead of waiting until midnight or 11 p.m. or 10 p.m. or whenever that particular sale starts, go ahead and start searching prior and have these things already in your cart. So when the prices change, you can go ahead and click submit or check out or buy or whatever. That way you'll be sure to get the items that you want. Okay, so remember, Black Friday is definitely going to look a little different this year. So blackfriday.com is where you can get all the ads from all the stores that have Black Friday deals. So let's take a quick look at Walmart's. So a lot of the items that are generally on sale all the time during Black Friday, always electronics, right? TVs, video game consoles, cell phone accessories like AirPods, as you can see in this photo. So this particular ad for Walmart starts November, well, it's already started, November 4th. And this one goes for a week. So as you can see, like Instant Pots and air fryers are like super popular now. So these two items are on sale. They're $49, normally $99, $89, sometimes $109. So that's almost a 50% savings. Like I said, AirPods, things like TVs. Now I'm not familiar with this brand called ONN, but it's a 42-inch Roku TV for $88. I mean, that's a really good price. So Black Friday is usually the time for you to get those good deals on electronics, TVs, kitchen appliances, and things of that nature. Going to the second page. Laptops, wireless headphones, projectors, like all of that cool stuff. You can go ahead and get a lot of your Christmas shopping knocked out during these Black Friday deals. Right now they have toys, games, articles of clothing. Like, okay, let's get into this right here. It's a Power XL Smokeless Grill. Ooh, that might need to go on my list. Vacuum cleaners, towels for your home. I mean, just about anything you can think of is usually offered during Black Friday. Like I said, this one has already started as of Wednesday at 7 p.m. It is online only. You cannot get these deals in the store. Okay, so just be very mindful. Please don't go into Walmart with the Black Friday ad and say, I'm looking for this, because these are online only. Also, when you are online shopping, here's a tip. If you don't feel comfortable having things sent to your house, I would ask a relative who lives in maybe a safer area, or who has neighbors that are retired who are always watching out, if you can have those things sent to your house, because the porch pirates are real during this time of year. You have people who canvass neighborhoods looking for packages that have been dropped off by FedEx or UPS or the post office and take them. I mean, sadly, that's our reality. It really saddens me that things like that happen, but just be very careful, very mindful of leaving packages. Maybe if you have a neighbor who is retired or working from home, if they could look out for your packages, or like I said, you could work something out with them where you can have the stuff sent to their house. I'm definitely going to be utilizing my mother-in-law. This year, I've already cleared it with her, so I'm having all packages sent to her house because my husband and I both work full-time. We do have a Ring doorbell. However, we can see the person, but they've still made off with our packages. So I just feel a little safer, especially in light of how the economy is right now and people are struggling. I don't want to make it tempting for anyone to maybe try to take my packages, because that's really not good. That's not what they want. Neither do I. So maybe get with some neighbors or relative to see if you can have things sent to their home, someone who is home all day, or neighbors that can look out for you and get your packages for you as soon as they arrive. So that's just a little tip. Also, it's also a good idea to sit out some snacks and drinks for your delivery drivers. I know some of us don't even think that they're working just as hard as we want our packages to be delivered on time. So just that little bit of extra care goes a long way. I did it last year and they loved it. Just little bags of chips, maybe cookies, crackers, sodas, bottles of water, things of that nature. And I made a little cute sign to thank them so much for working so hard during the holiday season. So just think about your delivery drivers as well when you're online ordering and buying things for Christmas, especially during this busy season, because they literally work so hard to make sure you get your packages on time and undamaged and things like that. So just think about that as well. All right, so when you have some time, go to blackfriday.com and you're going to look through all the ads, start making your lists, checking them twice, making sure the people in your household have been either naughty or nice. See what I did there? This is a great way to go ahead and see what's on sale. Because Black Friday is not going to be the normal Black Friday this year, a lot of stores like Walmart have already started their Black Friday deals. So go ahead, peruse the ads on blackfriday.com, see what's out there. It's a great time to stock up on things like electronics if you're looking for a new TV for the house or to gift to someone. Now's a good time. They have great deals on electronics, toys, clothes, DVDs, books. This particular ad has already started. Some of the pages have specific days, like the stuff on this page starts Saturday, November 7th at 2 a.m. and in stores at 5 a.m. So you have to look very closely so that you can see if the things are being offered only online or online at a specific time and then in store at a certain time. For those of you with kids, if your kids are anything like mine, as soon as these come in the mail, they're already looking through them, circling, pages folded down on my bed when they're done or stuck in my work bag with a little note, hey mom, look in this book on page such and such. So they're super excited about Christmas. All right, this is the second Walmart ad for Black Friday. This one starts Wednesday, November 11th on Veterans Day. So again, there's some TVs, laptops. You have the Shark IQ robot. Those are really neat. I was thinking about getting one of those. All types of good stuff. And a lot of these deals will not break the bank. I understand we are definitely in a situation that we are not used to, something that we have never seen. So try to save money where you can. Black Friday deals are a good time to do that, to get your appliances, things that you've always wanted. I literally just opened my Instant Pot that I got for Christmas last year, but I use it quite often now. Those are on sale. Like I said, AirPods, laptops, tablets, TVs, all kinds of cool stuff. Definitely toys. If you still have littles, my kids are a little older, so they're really into like, the electronics and hoverboards and things like that. So I'm definitely on the lookout for the hoverboards, and I believe Target and their sale paper, they have one. Let's see if we can find that ad. Yeah, if you decide though, if some stores are doing actual in-store Black Friday shopping, please don't go by yourself. Go with a partner, go in a group. Just be very, very mindful and very careful. Be observant of your surroundings. While the holidays is a great time to spend with family and you're filled with good cheer and peace on earth, goodwill towards all men. Sadly, everyone doesn't think that way, so you just have to be very, very careful, okay? Right, so like I was saying, Black Friday is an exciting time. It's my favorite time to shop because I get all my Christmas stuff knocked out. Online shopping seems to be the way to go this year. So go ahead and start scoping out those deals on blackfriday.com. If you've been getting any of these in the mail, go ahead and start looking through these, circling the things that you want or you're looking at. I would also price match. A lot of stores offer a price match guarantee. If you can show them in another online ad or a physical advertisement that something is cheaper somewhere else, a lot of stores will give it to you for that price. If you have a Target Red Card, I know they usually offer an additional like cashback percentage if you use your Red Card when you're shopping during Black Friday. I know Kohl's offers Kohl's Cash. They have lots of coupons that come out usually around the holidays, friends and family savings. I know Old Navy as well. They usually have like up to 50% off. They offer Super Cash, so that's a great time to go ahead and get that cold weather gear, your jeans, your fleece, your hoodies and things of that nature. Make your list and set a budget. Do not go over your budget. That's very important. I usually give my kids, okay, give us a list of maybe 3 to 5 things that you want, one very expensive thing, and the rest kind of within a certain price range, and then we'll pick from that list of things to get them. So I know this has been a very trying year for us. Hopefully Christmas will bring some of that joy and cheer back to our lives, and it's a great time to spend time with family, but do not break the bank, because while gifts are great, that's really not the true meaning of the season. It's about family and love and giving and the spirit of the holiday season. But this part can be fun as well. So make a list, check it twice, make a budget, try to stick to it. If you're going to be patronizing some of the stores that are actually letting people come in to the brick and mortar facility, go with a partner, go with a shopping buddy, with a group of people. Please do not go by yourself. If you're doing online shopping, go ahead and take advantage of some of the pre-Black Friday deals. If there is something that is coming out on actual Black Friday, I would go ahead on Thanksgiving afternoon or evening, whenever the sale starts, go ahead and put those things in your cart maybe 30 to 45 minutes prior. That way you're not searching all over the site, it's already in your cart. All you have to do is wait for the prices to change, click checkout, and you're good to go. All right, some places will only let you keep things in your cart for maybe an hour, maybe 2 hours. So you just got to keep double checking and refreshing, making sure it's still in there. Okay, so have a great holiday season. Enjoy your family and friends, and happy shopping. See you guys next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.